POTA soon to be? Will I be able to remain true to me? POTA soon to be. Will I do my outing with 10 watts max? And POTA soon to be. Will I endure the hatred and attacks? And the good commentor was absolutely right. I'm modifying my rules. I don't know what was wrong with me, man. A momentary lapse of reason. I'd like to make an announcement. I'd like to make a rule change. Thank God I didn't fall down. Ladies and gentlemen, POTA operators, chasers and activators, take note. Rule change. Activators are hereby allowed 100 watts any mode. Chasers, only 10. Only 10. Those are my rules. Now, I can't enforce them, nor would I want to even try. It's not my nature. Live and let live, right? It's a free damn world, damn it. But if you're one of the Kilowatt Klub Boyz, I don't have to call you. I'm going low. When POTA goes high, when the power levels go high, Blowzo goes low. Right? I'm starting at the bottom, boys. When I do my POTA activation, I'm going to highly suggest running QRP, or at most 100 watts any mode, because I'm starting at the bottom and working the weakest. And working the weakest.